video in CapCut. Now let's make use of this video as an example to demonstrate this. Now you select your video. If you want to trim from the right hand side, which is this particular location, all you have to do is to take your mouse pointer to that particular location and you can see that the mouse changes. Let me show you this. You can see that the mouse changes. Now you just have to long press, click and drag your video anywhere you want to trim your video to. You can see what is happening there. Now let's go over to the left hand side and see how to trim from the left hand side. You have to do the same thing. Click and drag your video to anywhere you want to trim your video to. To make it precise, bring in your playhead. You just take your playhead to the particular location where you want to trim your video and stop. All you have to do is to come down, click and drag your video to stop at the playhead, and when the video gets to the playhead, it's just going to snap immediately to the playhead. And this is how you trim your video in CapCut.